Today we have another mod for my truck. This is the WOLFBOX Electric Running Boards. It's going to be helpful for my wife and kids because they're on the smaller size. When I bought my truck, it doesn't come with running boards. And I'm not a fan of the regular fixed running boards because they're pretty bulky. So yeah, let's unbox, put together, and go from there. Alright, this is everything that's in the box. I like the fact that everything's labeled as well, so you know which is which. Another thing I like about WOLFBOX is that their manuals are really helpful. Got all these diagrams, make the install really easy. And they're in color too. For my Tacoma, these are the tools that I'm going to use. Ratchet, sockets, 8, 10, 13, extension, wrenches, electrical tape, needle nose pliers, and optional power tool. First, we're going to take the mounting brackets and attach them to the linkage arms. Next, we're going to go to the front driver, and then we're going to remove these rubber plugs right here, these two. And one in here. Then we're going to use this and then just insert in like so. Like that. So 3 mounting points for the front driver. And then for the rear mount, we're going to remove these two right here. And then these two. Like the front, we're going to be using these. Put in here. And then for these holes right here, we're going to use these screws. On the main harness, remove the fuse. Put it back later. This is the ECU that came with the product.
Alright, everything's finally installed. From start to finish, the whole thing took me just under 2 hours. The running boards are made from heavy duty aluminum and have e-coating and powder coated finish to help protect against rust and corrosion. The step is 6 inches wide, runs the full length of the cab, and each side can support up to 660 pounds. Each side uses one high torque motor that's IP67 rated. Basically, that means the motor is sealed to keep out dust and also protected from water. The way the system works is pretty simple. When you open any of the doors, the running boards automatically comes down. Once all the doors are closed, it goes back underneath the truck. There's nothing you have to turn on or off. Another thing I really like is that there's no drilling required. Everything uses the existing mount points underneath the truck. Getting into the truck isn't really a problem for me, but it's a much bigger step for my wife and daughter. This is how my wife got into the truck before the running boards, and this is how she gets in now. Another thing I like is how clean everything looks when the doors are closed. The boards tuck underneath the truck and pretty much disappeared. The kit also comes with LED lights, which are especially used for at night. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how everything turned out. The install was straightforward, and I really like having an extra step for my wife and daughter, while keeping a clean look when the boards aren't being used. If you guys are interested in checking out these running boards for your truck, I'll leave a link down in the description below. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.